fixture. Both teams will still want to win. Managers have picked strong lineups today. No real surprises. The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Here's Varane. He kicks the ball away from danger. He steps up to steal the ball. Nice play, and that's a throw-in. Now it's Pogba. It's Messi with the ball. Great understanding between this
Tadi
team.
malam, kemarin.
This one has gone out of play. Well cut out. Slicking now. They're waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery. He's trying to pick out the man in the ball. Tries the header. Good block there. Let's take another look at that. The taker is thinking, what's he got in mind with this corner? Tries the volley. Let's have a look at that one again. Tries his luck from distance. The referee has indicated a goal kick. A chance to have a better look here. Keeper sends it long. Here's
Aku bilang,
Ronaldo.
tot. Aku bilang Muhammad Nur. Iya.
Just inside. He must score. He goes for goal.
Iya, sama dia
To see
regat
that
tadi.
great save again. Can they make it count? Aimed towards a penalty spot.
Tadi malam.
Towards the goal again.
Kayak mau nak buka.
Well, let's take another look at that.
Tak kunci.
And that's into the box. Off his head. Good save. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Well, that one swung into the box. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Good ball. He could be punished for that mistake. It's Ronaldo. And he hits it. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Sets it long. Oh, it's a clear chance. That's good work by the defence. Just offside. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. And we're entering stoppage time now. Lovely pass. Handed opening. Ronaldo, and he scored. He scored a brace. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Celebrations are over. There's the whistle. It's half time. So we're underway. Let's see what the next 45 minutes bring. Finds his teammate. They've won the ball back again. Oh, we did really well there. Good distribution. Moving down the flanks here. Now it's Pogba. Now De Bruyne. Playing the ball down the flanks. Here's Ronaldo. Oh, and dispossessed there. That's good link-up play. And the referee gets the game going again. And with the defender now. Away by Piqué. Striker's ball. Good clearance there. Ibrahimovic. Great footwork there. Optimistic effort. And there's the shot. That's going to be a corner. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. He's trying to pick out the man in the box. And that's a throw-in. Both sets of players have had their fair share of the ball. He's headed the ball forward. That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Salah! Great finish. Oh, what a stunning goal here as he finds the back of the net with ease. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Probably a bit too late, but that goal will give him some confidence going into the next game. Dominating the play now. Oh, confident defending. That's nicely played. Confident pass. Now Lukaku. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. It's Ronaldo. Won the ball. That's good link-up play. It's full time. Draws this match to a close, and what a match it's been. Well, I think they've got the right man of the match. He put in more than 100%.